Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a portfolio website in Webflow. So let's get started. First, open Webflow and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, click New Site. Webflow will show a gallery of templates, both free and paid. Use the search bar and type Portfolio to find designs made specifically for personal portfolios. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your style. Click Choose Template, then select Create Site. After your site loads, you'll be taken inside the Webflow Designer. Here, you can start customizing the portfolio template. Begin by updating the Hero section, replace the placeholder name with your own name, and add a short intro about yourself. Then, click on the image to swap it with your own photo. Next, scroll to the Projects Work section. Each project card can be edited. Just click any item and update the text, title, and description. You can also replace the images by uploading your own project screenshots. If you need more projects, simply duplicate an existing card to keep your layout consistent. Now move to the About section and update your story. Keep it short but personal. Then head to the Contact section and edit your email, social links, or contact form settings. If you want to customize colors or fonts, open the Style panel on the right. Adjust the theme so it matches your branding. You can also change section backgrounds, button styles, and spacing to fine-tune the design. That's it, your portfolio website is now live, fully built using a Webflow template, and ready to share with clients or employers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.